they discovered the aortic aneurysm about 10 years ago, and it was really close to where they said you need surgery. And I asked the doctor at that time, I said, so can I keep on doing marathons and biathlons? Knowing full well he'd say, yeah, right. He said, do it. And every year they did a CAT scan or an echo and they measured it. So for 10 years, I got to do marathons and triathlons. And then this year in July, they said, it's increased a little bit, so why don't you come on in? And so I went in July and we scheduled it. And then when I went in 2 weeks before for the angiogram, that's when they said, your widowmaker is 90% plugged. Let's go ahead and get you in for surgery the next day. I had an ascending aorta aneurysm, so I had that replaced. I also had my aorta valve replaced. And then they found that I had a widowmaker that was 90% blocked, and so they got that taken care of with a bypass while they were in there as well. Yeah. And I'm back to jogging and feel very comfortable and very blessed and very lucky. The thing I did was I kept good care of myself. I kept myself in shape, kept the weight off, and they told me that, if you're going to go into surgery, that's the best thing that you can do. Now, hopefully, in 20 years after they've given me another valve without cutting me open, the technology will change. I'll be, 82, 84, and we'll see what happens then. Yeah. But until then, man, they got me cleaned out and ready to go for another 20 or 30.